Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Many of us know about the resort islands in Maldives. Have you ever wondered about life on local islands? Wamadu is a local island situated about 73 kilometers from Malé, the capital of Maldives. The only mode of transport to reach Wamadu is through boats. The locals are extremely dependent on boats for travel to Malé and to other islands. Maldivians like to use scooters within the island for short rides. The island measures 1000 meter long and 300 meter wide. The fuel is available in boat jetty. The roads are mostly muddy and unpaved. The islanders start their day by going on brisk walks and exercising on the beach. The sunrise on the east beach is gorgeous and is worth waking up early. The islanders also enjoy fishing in the morning when a shoal of fish gather at the pier. Fishing has long been the lifeline of the Maldivian economy. Fishing is the second source of income to Maldives after tourism. The clear waters also act like an aquarium and people visit them in the morning. Let's see the glimpse of the fishes that we saw when we went on a morning walk in the pier. We happened to see so many varieties of fishes gathering near the pier. The women start to prepare for the day's meal by collecting fallen coconuts in trolleys and fishing. Fish and coconut play an important role in Maldivian cuisine. The local Maldivian delights like kulimos or mashuni are dishes that have a fish cooked with coconut. Morning times are also busy on the island. On school days, you can see the kids starting to school and moms taking their kids to the school in the two-wheelers. The shopkeepers prepare to open their shops and restaurants. The streets wear a deserted look in the afternoon and you will find locals lazing in the hammock. Most people in Maldives practice Islam. People pray 5 times a day and the local shops will be closed during the prayer times. Friday and Saturday are holidays and the local people come to the West Beach with their buddies and kids to spend time on the beach. Let us see the look of the Bikini Beach, which is also called the tourist beach or the West Beach. The beach is clean and nice with a long sandbank. And also the beach is covered with a tropical area. This is the best place to witness the sunset on this island. The kids, families, groups of women and girls gather on the beach with picnic dinner to enjoy the sunset event. Also the teenage boys gather with their friends to play and practice swimming. The sunset is truly magnificent with the sky on fire with hues of orange. The Maldivians are lucky to witness such grandeur during most of the year. Let us see the time lapse of the sunset. Unlike the beaches in other parts of the world, which are littered with garbage, The beaches are clean and full of little creatures like crabs and prawns crawling around. The island has a school that is well equipped, but for higher education, one has to travel to Malé and other islands. The island has a local health center that caters to the basic medical needs. For most other medical needs and emergencies, the islanders have to travel to Malé. Crimes are so low on the island that a police station seems unnecessary. Maldivian islands are endowed with enormous beauty and clear turquoise waters. Life on these islands is slow paced. Island life can also be art with locals depending on Malé for most goods, healthcare and education. The visit to these Maldivian islands make the city dwellers feel jealous of their beauty and also better appreciate the privileges we enjoy. That is all for today. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.